Hi sir, I am S. Madhu and I am going to give the video presentation about F-test problem question. In one sample of 10 observations, the sum of square of the derivatives of the sample's values from sample mean was 120 and in other sample of 12 observations was 314. Test whether the difference is significant at 5% level. Concepts useful to solve. Hypothesis testing F-test variance. Introduction to F-test. The F-test is a statistical test used to compare the variance of two populations to determine if they are significantly different. It is commonly used to analysis of variance, regression analysis, and hypothesis testing for equality of variances. Going to the explanation. To test whether the difference in variances is significant at 5% level, we use the F-test, and the F-test compares the variance of two given samples and to determine if they come from populations with equal variances. Here the solution. We solve the two samples and sample 1, number of observations n1 equals to 10 and sum of squared deviations from the mean S1 square equals to 120. And the sample 2, number of observations n2 is 12 observations and sum of squared derivatives from the mean S2 square equals to 314. Step 1. Compute sample variances. The sample variances is given by S square equals to summation of xi minus x bar whole square by n minus 1. For sample 1, S1 square equals to 120 by n minus 1 equals to 120 by 9. Then we can get the solution of 13.33. And for sample 2, same as sample 1, S2 square equals to 314 divided by 12 minus 1. Then we get 314 by 11 and finally we get 28.55. And in step 2, we can compute F ratio. The F statistic is given by F equals to larger variance by smaller variance. Since S2 square greater than S1 square, we take F equals to 28.55 by 13.33. We get 2.14 after the division. And step 3. Determine critical value. The F-test uses an F distribution with degree of freedom d f1 equals to n2 minus 1 equals to 11 and d f2 equals to n1 minus 1 equals to 9. Using F tables for d f1 equals to 11 and d f2 equals to 9 at 5% significant level and f base alpha by 2 comma of 11 comma 9 equals to 3.92. And in step 4, we can compare and make decision. If f is a greater than the critical value, we reject the null hypothesis, indicating that the variants are significantly different, and if f is less than the critical value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis, meaning there is no significant difference in variances. Since f equals to 2.14 less than 3.29, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And step 5, conclusion. At the 5% level of significance, there is no significant difference between the variances of two samples. Hence, the difference observed in a sample variance could be due to random variation. And thank you.